Hello everyone, Arshad here, back again. Want to share you a few info regarding affiliate marketing. Today I'll be discussing on what is a sales funnel and why do you need a funnel in your business. You could be running any business online, and this funnel strategy will help you in increasing a sales conversion. Now, what is a sales conversion? I'll quickly guide you through. I'll first explain what exactly is a funnel. So I'll just go to my whiteboard. I'll just show you what exactly is a funnel. So yeah, so funnel, as we know how exactly a funnel looks, it looks somewhat like this, right? So this is how a funnel looks. Now, in a funnel strategy, the first step what you have is called awareness. You may be having any product you are selling online. So if you have to sell this product, you have to create an awareness of this product. How do you create an awareness? This is predominantly happening on online social media platform by having ads. You're running ads on, say, Facebook or Instagram or, say, Google ads. So you are trying to bring in your clients, creating an awareness. So that's how you create an awareness of your product. So you can bring leads to your product by having ads. Now it's either through ads or you can also bring in through organic marketing. Sorry, got disturbed by a call. So yeah, as I was explaining, you can create an awareness of your product either through driving ads or by through organic marketing. So this is an awareness which you create for your product. Here you may be having few people who are aware of your product. So there are a lot many people wherein you are guiding them through here. So this is how it starts. Now here you may be giving out some, say, free ebooks of your product explaining what exactly it is, or you may be creating a webinar. Say you are doing a webinar of your product explaining what exactly your product is. So here, as I was mentioning, you are trying to create an awareness through an ad or through organic marketing by giving out ebooks or by creating webinars. So what you do over here is you bring your customers to a page called a landing page. So here you bring them in. So here you bring them in and say you take their email IDs or, say, phone numbers. So here you may ask their email ID to be mandatory, or a phone number could be an optional. So this is where you create an awareness of your product initially. Now you are taking your customers through a funnel. First was the awareness. Now next comes is your interest. Now, how do you bring an interest in your customers? So interest is like why did you make this product? So you explain them what is the backstory of your product. Why exactly did you make this product? Now what are you interested in making this product? Say you're doing any product and there are a lot many competitors of this product available online. So you are trying to explain them why this product of yours is having more advantage, or, say, more features or more benefits than your other competitor products. So this is where you create an interest. Now what you are doing is you are trying to create interest among your customers. So the next part of your funnel is, it's called a desire. Now see, if you want to connect your product to your clients or customers, you should fill the gap in between them. That has to be filled by the desires. You can have desires, say, by testimonials. You say your product is having good benefits, good advantages, and people are liking this and they are giving you testimonials. So this is how, right? Even if you have seen in online marketing or an online shopping, say an Amazon, Flipkart, if you have to buy any product, you always look into testimonials. You just see like, okay, which one has more ratings, Okay, which one can I trust? So this is wherein you create a desire. The last part is what is called is an action. So action is wherein there is a button wherein people click on it and they buy. So the action part is wherein you are actually making the money, right? So basically this is how a funnel is. Hopefully I've understood what exactly it is. If you have any doubts, you can ask me later. And so I just wanted to show you what exactly a funnel is. Now see, this funnel strategy is being used by most of the marketers now online. There was a concept called website. Now the concept of website doesn't exist. I'll show you why it is. So see, you can be good in funnel, but what you need to be good is you have to be a good marketer also. Your funnel, just by your funnel you may not get your clients. Okay, you need to be a good marketer. This only comes with your experience. So this is a strategy, proven strategy, wherein people get they increase their sales conversion. Now what do I exactly mean by sales conversion? So I'll just highlight you what exactly a website is. See, just before a decade, every business was having a website. Few years ago, website was booming. Everyone used to ask whether you have a website or not. People with website had more confidence in selling their products. Now the concept of website is evolving. Now the evolution of website, what I can say, is a funnel. Okay, so this is what funnel is, a evolution of a website. So that is why people are going for funnels in today's generation. See, I'll say what exactly a sales conversion is. Say a website looks somewhat like this, and you have listed your products here and here, say wherever you have listed it. Now a customer comes into a website, okay, and he goes, say he clicks on this item and he adds to a cart and he buys. The next step is making a payment. The probability that the customers can actually buy your product is pretty less in a website. So say 100 people are coming into a website. The probability people buy out maybe say 2 to 3%, not more than that. So that's what happens in a website. But in a funnel, so this works different actually. In funnel, you take them through a series of page. Okay, so it starts with say a squeeze page. So these are some typical terms which it's little difficult to understand initially. I'll just explain it in some coming videos. Then you have a sales page, and then you have your upsell, or what we call it as O2O, one time offer. So what you're understanding over here is this is the concept of funnel. So you have a squeeze page, you have a sales page, and then an upsell. So squeeze page, as I said, you may get your customers through to squeeze page through ads or say organic marketing, and you request them email, you give out some free webinars, ebooks. So herein you get your clients or customers. Then comes up your sales page. In sales page, you can have your product, whatever you're selling. So you need to develop a sales page of this kind. Then you also have a concept called upsell or O2O. I'll go in detail what exactly these are maybe in some coming videos. Now the probability that you take your customers through this process, what happens is the number of people buying out through this process increases. So your sales conversion is actually increasing. Okay, so this percentage of increase may be say even 4 to 5%, and people have witnessed even to a number of 20 to 25%. It all depends on how you build your funnel, how you attract your customers, what kind of offers you give. And so that's how exactly this works. So this is how you increase your sales conversion. So this is what happens. So nowadays people going out through website and buying may not find much success, or their the profits whatever they are making may not be good. But here in funnel, the amount of people using a funnel strategy and making out, it's pretty good. Okay, so that's what I am using a smiley to just highlight you what happened. So you can try to improvise in your funnel, and also you can become a king. Yes, so you can become a king over here if you market your funnels. Maybe you are making some few $100s over here, say a few $100, but by using a funnel strategy, you may be doing this in a higher margin. So that's what, see here, your cart value with one customer coming and buying your one product is pretty less. But here, when you bring in your customer and go through this process of, say, from squeeze page to sales page, and from, say, sales page to upsell, your average cart value increases. So your average cart value is increased. So what happens is, at the end of your funnel process, you're making pretty good amount of money. So this is what exactly a funnel is, and that's why people are going for a funnel marketing strategy. I'll just get back to myself. So hopefully I've explained you how exactly a funnel looks, and what is the difference between a conventional website and to a new technology funnel. So people have made use of this concept, and they are making good amount of money. So what I recommend people who are running websites or say some online business, please try to use this strategy of funnel, develop a funnel of your own. In this way you can make pretty good amount of profit. If you're confused how to build up a funnel, what exactly is a funnel, how do I study about this, what is a funnel marketing strategy, so just let me know. I'll just guide you through this. I'll help you out. I'm here to help you out, as I am going through this one funnel away challenge where people are explaining me how to build up a funnel, how to use a funnel marketing strategy. So I'll help you out. Please let me know if you have any doubts. I'll clarify, and then I'll be explaining you through a lot more details about what funnels are, how and what exactly affiliate marketing will help you, how you can make affiliate marketing as your passive income, or some people are doing it actively and making an active income. If they are able to achieve more success through affiliate marketing, people are giving out, quitting their 9 to 5 jobs and making this full time. So this is helping out people, and as I have mentioned earlier, in the next era, online business is going to be a big hit. So I recommend people to use this strategy for their online businesses and make some good profits. I want people to be entrepreneur. They make good profit out of this. So hope to see you soon. Hopefully I have explained you in clear. If you have any doubts, please message me. See you soon. Bye.